What? For the world, it's not a plan. Yo, I figure what I go on. A franchise to choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know when I come for represent, you know it go already. A full effect thing. Know it go when we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion, boy. Watch out, man. You don't know the people's champion. Right. You don't know a Gaza favorite. Oh, you mean? You don't know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, man? Right about now, you know. Everything I see the man them try. Every single little thing them try. And try for itch up against Vybz Kartel name. So, after all them take over never work, and all the man himself, where them claim say, are the new thing, we come to take over never work. Everything get busted. Right now, I see the man are running, and I say, well then, them man they get the most fight in a dancehall. I want to know what kind of idiot thing are going with them fool lunatic here. Who are run up on social media with them look at hypocritical self and them look at waste argument. Yo, I want to know, you know, how you know, you don't forget fight in a dancehall. And you see man on face 35 bumbuckled years without no evidence, no witness. The man, the people them are get rid of evidence. The people them are mess with all type of evidence in the case, and them think them be a rigmarole go on, and people still talk about them get fight in the dancehall, and them they are road happily and freely. Yo, let me tell you this, you know. A Ninja Man and Vybz Kartel get the most fight in the dancehall. And I don't forget that. And stop going like a clown. A Ninja Man and Vybz Kartel get the most fight in a dancehall. You hear that? And the material evidence there to prove it. And so I have no more argument about that. Because here we go on. Me make you know, you know. Say, you know. When the man, you know, do a certain type of wash, you know. And, you know, gauge the dung in the throat, you know. Yo, the man them bash the man them, you know. And let me tell you something. All the dates come back and I drop good song and nice and, you know, nobody act like them not acknowledge that, you know. If the man never say good, so the girl forget things, you know. The man think, uno pop off the way he pop off right about now, you know. So I'm not too in the lollipop argument to do, you know, because somehow, you know, be a lie on the tell and just go out and I try to create a bag of false accusation and all of them shit there. We not deal with lollipop thing. A real thing we deal with. You see what I deal with? All the good tune them what gears are drop. Them acknowledge him until him go say good something gotta forget thing. At them time they know. You know what I mean? Because you know the girl them sang there. So the girl them a go wild out on it. At them time they couldn't stop it no more. You know what I mean? Before the youth get some highlight. Remember, you know, my virgin. The man them call in, the man himself, you know, for look a question, you know. And from the question go on, you know, the man himself, you know, take away himself, you know. That's what I deal with, but I want to know the people them, you know. And I fight against him, you know, because I remember, you know, corporate Jamaica, you know, all advertisement and them shit them have, you know, on the TV, you know. Jamaica, you know, they don't go like say them never with him, you know. And I say him had the new thing, you know, and watch it take over, you know. Remember that, you know. There's what I deal with. You know, just try to remember that, you know. They don't push him, you know, to be the new thing where to take over, you know. And him couldn't match Vybz Kartel intensity. Him couldn't match it. You see what I deal with? And he can't match the man intensity. Him fall off big time. Because he put up himself against the greatest. You know what I mean? We all mic, I'm mouth and rip off lyrics. You see what I deal with? Yeah, I even write lyrics from paper. Him rise against the Pharaoh. You see what I deal with? And can't match the Pharaoh intensity. And through him can't match it, it looks so bad and difficult for him right about now. I remember say, the little kids them were used to go around and cheer for him. Them grew up right now. And when them grew up right now, and them can't pass that certain type of wash thing there. So when all the girl them and the man them hear that, them say them not in a nothing about with that. You know what I mean? Them not deal with no certain type of wash. You see what I say? So that happen, and nobody a go like say them no want to talk about that. Remember the man thief Vybz cartel pattern style, thief the man pose them, everything him even thief the name vendetta. You see what I deal with? And them shit they not give the man no respect for it, you know. I remember saying him go around and disrespect, you know, all of the journalists them who interview him, you know. And them shit they get bright with the man them, you know, as a local youth, you know, because him bust too big and fast and quick. So him did too hype about it. You see what I deal with, and him feel like him never have to take nothing out from nobody and everything backfire upon him. You see me? So right about now is a new process. Him have to go through right now, you know what I mean? Yeah, so that really are go on. So when them a go like them want lie, lollipop thing them a deal with. Real thing we deal with, you know what I mean? Not a farmer joke thing. No 10 star. The general sending money. You see what I say? Real talk. And no joke thing Gaza nation. Them not talk the truth. Them a clown. You see what I deal with? All of the high praises what them that come with. So the new take over. 347 341 3756. All the take over where them claim them a take over. Everything fail upon them. Send them to Gilbert Boswell.
How much?
100. Yeah, Gaza nation, you know how we deal with it, you know, no joke thing, you know. For top up people, you know. Them things that will go on and, you know, make everybody feel good. Yeah, so man, say. Yeah, a real way. No lollipop thing. Yeah, so when they take over fail, remember them going and them join all 3 months together, you know, and call themselves MVP, you know. And when they take over for go on, you know, I know them can't go past the borderline, you know. Much as even see which part of the teacher there, you know. So everything come upon them, you know, different strategy them have to do. So right now them becomes a regular artist, so them start to unite with all some artists where them uno do before. Watch. The general, the 10 star one, represent with nothing about the living truth. You know what I think already. On a joke thing. The real thing we deal with. You see what I deal with? Yeah. Them can't angle the intensity where the Vybz cartel bring to dancehall. And through them can't match it, everything backfire upon them. Different way them have to choose and different angle. So them becomes a regular artist right now. So them start mix up with regular people. One time them they think them they on a hype pedestal. You see what I say? And think nobody couldn't pass them. You know what I mean? Now the look of you them grew up on them. You know what I mean?
That's what it was $109.99.
You could them grow up on them and want run. No, sorry, give it the wrong money. You could grow up on them and want run past them.